In our quest to remain true to our mission of being the trusted home of innovative, quality and affordable dairy products, New KCC has embarked on an exciting journey of transformation. Transformation that has seen it modernize and upgrade its key processing facilities that are strategically located across the country. This is our story, the story of New KCC's transformation through modernization. The New KCC Modernization program, which is supported by the national government, has seen the company acquire state-of-the-art equipment that has greatly enhanced our efficiency as well as our processing and packaging capacities. The Modernization program that began in 2017 covers all of our processing facilities located in Nairobi, Dandora, Eldoret, Nyahururu, Sutik, Kiganjo, Kitale and Miritini.
The government has been very generous to understand that the importance of dairy in this country. That is why they supported the modernization program of New KCC, and I really want to take this opportunity to appreciate government support in the modernization journey. I can assure you that this is what is changing the dairy industry in Kenya.
Kuna furaha kuwa pamoja nanyi. Na furaha yetu ni kwa sababu tuko hapa leo kusherehekea kazi njema ambayo tumefanya kama serikali tukiungana na viongozi wa New KCC. Kwa sababu sasa tumeanza kufufua factories kama hizi. Tunataka watu wawe wanakunywa maziwa safi. Mambo ya hawking na mambo mengine ambao watu wanachanganyisha maziwa na maji na mambo mengine tuache. Na ndio tuweze kupatia wananchi wetu maziwa ambaye ni safi, maziwa ambaye imekuwa processed vizuri, na ndio watu waweze kuwa with all the necessary health and nutritional aspects that come from drinking quality milk which our farmers have.
At the heart of our modernization program is our mission to ensure that New KCC continues to fulfill its critical role as price stabilizer in the dairy industry from farm to consumer by not only providing a ready market for farmers' produce, ensuring prompt and competitive milk payout, but also through production of quality and affordable dairy products to consumers.
The stability of the dairy industry today is actually courtesy of this modernization program. That gives KCC that strategic role to stabilize the dairy industry, which we have done and very well, and the farmers today enjoy relatively very stable prices for their milk.
When we have glut, you find you have nowhere to take your milk. But with the KCC, whether you have how much you have, they will still take the milk you have.
In line with meeting one of the pillars in the Big Four agenda, New KCC continues to play a key role in ensuring food security through production of milk powder and long-life products for the National Strategic Food Reserve.
New KCC will continue playing a very critical role in stabilizing the dairy industry in this country, in partnership with the government of this country, to ensure that at all times farmers get value for their hard work.
In addition to new equipment, we have also improved our energy efficiency by reducing cost of energy and ensuring uninterrupted production processes in all our factories by using steam energy that is cheaply generated from biomass. The company, in line with its modernization program, has also sought to revolutionize its engagement with its partnering dairy farmers by ensuring that our farmers and partners along the value chain, from collection to delivery of milk to our facilities, have access to a wide range of farmer support initiatives and essential extension services such as skilled and experienced extension services personnel, AI services, financial products, insurance providers, agrovet, animal feed providers, as well as first-hand training opportunities in dairy best practices both locally and abroad.
There are these trips that KCC will offer farmers, which are very educative. After the trip to Israel, I actually came back, and the impact of whatever the information that I got from Israel was so significant to the farm. I was able to move the average of the farm from 16, 17 per animal to close to 27, up to even 30.
When it comes to linkages of finances and all that, a New KCC has acted as a tripartite
And you find that farmers have combined efforts with banks and other institutions for loaning facilities. And KCC now acts as a guarantor to those activities. As a result of that, quite a number of farmers have really benefited.
We are also directly and indirectly positively changing the lives of thousands of ordinary Kenyans who've taken up dairy farming as a viable economic activity to improve their livelihoods and the millions more along the dairy value chain.
Modernization of KCC has created direct employment to 2,000 staff. And indirectly along the value chain, about 200,000 people who are playing active roles along the value chain. And remember, 2 million Kenyans are actually depending on dairy in this country.
Decades later, we are proud of the progress we continue to make, going back to 1925 when KCC first began its storied history making just butter. In 1956, KCC marked one of its biggest milestones yet, when it began packing milk using Tetra Pak, a revolutionary method of packing milk and cream, a first in Africa. From 1979 to 1992, KCC introduced the memorable and popular Maziwa ya Nyayo school milk program that provided free milk to thousands of school-going children. However, over the years, as the machines became old and obsolete, there was need for a complete overhaul of new KCC's processing infrastructure to increase its capacity and efficiency with new and modern technology to keep with the emerging trends in processing and packaging and to adequately meet the ever-changing and dynamic consumer needs.
What we've been doing is replacing the old technology and bringing in the latest technology in terms of processing. It also gives us an opportunity to be able to diversify our product range to what the consumers want today.
Today, new KCC has turned around its fortunes into a modern, well-run and profitable company and is once again a game changer in the East Africa region's dairy industry. It is also not only improving the dairy sector and the lives of its key stakeholders, but also contributing to the national agenda of building a sustainable economy that is pegged on turning the available resources into valuable goods and services in the most efficient way.
We've increased our farmer payout from 2 billion to now 4.5 billion. We believe that at the end of the modernization program, we should be able to do a 6 billion annually for farmer payout. This is one contribution as new KCC we are doing, and we believe that this is a strong support for the dairy farmers in this country.
Through it all, we have remained true to our commitment to providing world-class dairy products that are of guaranteed quality and taste that has been perfected over time. Our exciting products include a wide range of premium and trusted brands such as KCC Fresh Milk, Mala, Gold Crown Milk, KCC Finest Creamery Butter, KCC Delight Yogurt, KCC La Yogurt, Natural Yogurt, UHT Long Life Milk, KCC Shake Flavored Milk, Gold Crown Lactose Free Milk, KCC Superfine Ghee, KCC Cheese, and KCC Safariland Milk Powder. As the region's largest dairy processor, our research and development team is actively engaged in product innovation and diversifications to add to our growing product range of quality products that not only suit the unique tastes and preferences of our diverse and ever-growing consumer base, but also provide them with a variety that is healthy, safe and affordable products that our customers have come to love and trust.
I've grown to know KCC all the way when I was still an infant. To this time I'm a mother. I love the cleanliness because of my young babies, and it is working well for my family.
Some of the latest products including the La Yogurt, Real Fruit Yogurt, Delight Natural Yogurt and the all-new and popular Gold Crown Lactose-Free Milk.
New KCC will continue giving you value for your money as you enjoy our products, and New KCC is investing on research and development to ensure that we keep up the pace in terms of technology, bringing up more innovative products that the consumers will continue to enjoy.
As a company that has embraced technology, our partnership with SAP, Systems Applications Products, the industry-leading enterprise resource planning tool, has seen new KCC yield outstanding results of operating in a single integrated business environment from end to end. The result of this strategic move has seen to better streamlined processes, improved management of all our smallholder farmer suppliers, and transparency in receiving and recording farmers' milk. Other benefits include better planning and data-driven decision-making, reduced risks in operating costs, increased efficiency, and improved revenue and customer management. Our commitment to quality is unparalleled. We are benchmarked against the international best quality practices and are ISO 9001-2015 certified for quality management systems. In addition, all our processing facilities across the country are ISO 22000-2005 certified for food safety management systems. Our products are also halal certified, and locally our products have the diamond mark of quality of the Kenya Bureau of Standards.
I would want to encourage our farmers to continue investing in dairy, that with new KCC you have a valued partner who will always stand with you, support you along the way. And you can be assured that as you continue working hard around your farms, you have a partner who will always work with you and help you along the journey, and assure that you get value for money for your investments.
We are delighted to be playing a key role in our country's dairy industry while promoting our economic growth so that farmers continuously have a ready market for their produce and our loyal consumers enjoy the very best of their dairy brand of choice. New KCC, delivering life's goodness every day.